Hello, we are PopcornSAR, leading mobility innovation through the convergence of SDV and AI. From November 19th to 21st, PopcornSAR participated in EdgeTech Plus 2025, held at Hall D of Pacifico, Yokohama, Japan. At this event, which drew over 32,000 visitors, PopcornSAR welcomed Japanese automotive industry professionals at booth DK15. Our technical seminar on the first day was particularly successful, attracting a large audience of pre-registrants and showcasing the high level of interest in our technology. During the exhibition, PopcornSAR showcased 4 core solutions. Parvis, our most highlighted solution. Parvis utilizes AI to automatically generate V-Model, A-Spice, and MISRA-C compliant work products, managing everything from specification analysis, code generation, and verification. It reduces documentation time by more than 3 times and enhances MISRA-C compliance up to 94%. AUTOSAR AI Agent. This tool maximizes developer productivity by analyzing complex AUTOSAR standard specifications and AR XML structures to suggest and automatically generate optimal code. Proprietary Adaptive AUTOSAR Toolchain, a comprehensive AUTOSAR development tool ranging from our design tool, AUTOSAR.io, our AUTOSAR stack, Para, and our development environment, ParCon IDE. OSDVI, AUTOSAR Integration Devo. Powered by ParaBridge, this demo showcased a seamless simulation environment for next-generation SDV architecture, enabling real-time data exchange between ROS2, AutoWare, and Adaptive AUTOSAR. Throughout the exhibition, we engaged in in-depth discussions with key customers from 82 different companies. Global OEMs such as Toyota, Honda, and Nissan, as well as major Tier 1 suppliers like ASIN, Denso, and Hitachi Solutions, visited our booth to inquire about how PopcornSAR solutions can be applied to actual mass production processes. Notably, 50% of visitors showed focused interest in Parvis, while 20% prioritized the AUTOSAR AI agent. Additionally, prestigious Japanese universities and research institutes highly praised our AI-driven automation technology. Through EdgeTech Plus 2025, PopcornSAR has further solidified its position as a leader in the SDV market in Japan. To learn more about our innovative solutions, please visit our official website at AUTOSAR.io. Thank you to all our partners for joining us on this journey.